Now, what if we wanted to solve the equation 6 to the power of 2 is equal to x? Well, we could do that easily. That's just 6 times 6 is equal to x, so 36 is equal to x. Now instead, what if we wanted to solve the equation x to the power of 2 is equal to 36? That's also easy. We just take the square root of both sides, and we'll see that x is equal to 6, or x is equal to negative 6. But what if we wanted to find the exponent? 6 to the power of x is equal to 36. Well, we could also do that easily. We could express 36 as a power of 6. We know 36 is equal to 6 to the power of 2, so x can equal 2. But we also have a different function to find x, and we call it logarithms. Logarithms. What we'll do is we'll say log 6 36 is equal to x. And what this is saying is that what power do we have to take 6 to get 36? So basically, this equation is the same as 6 to the power of x equals 36. Now let's practice using logarithms. What is log 2, 8? We'll say that's equal to x. Well, remember, this is the same as 2 to the power of x is equal to 8. And we know that 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8, so x is equal to 3. Now what about log 3, 9? We know that we can express this as 3 to the power of x is equal to 9, so x must be equal to 2. Now let's try log 1/5, 1/125. So this is 1/5 to the power of x is equal to 1/125. We know 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 125. So 1/125 is equal to 1/5 to the power of 3. So x must be equal to 3. Now, what about log 100? Now you may be confused here because there's no base. There's no base over here, it's just blank. Well, when there's no base, that means there's just a 10. So basically the default will be 10. 10 to the power of x is equal to 100, so x must be equal to 2. So again, if we write log 1000, our answer will be 3, because the default base, if we write no base next to log, that means that the base is just 10. And 10 to the power of 3 is equal to 1000, so our answer is 3. Now what if we did something like log 5, base 5, 9. So we have to find 5 to the power of x equals 9. We have to find x. Well, there's no power we can raise 5 to get 9, so our answer is undefined. Now what if we have log 2, -1? So 2 to the power of x is equal to negative 1. Yet again, there's no power we can raise 2 to get negative 1. So our answer is undefined again. So now, let's try something a bit harder. Log 2, 1 over 8. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 8. We know that 2 to the power of 3 is equal to 8, so 2 to the power of negative 3 must be equal to 1 over 8. Because any number, let's say 2 to the power of x, will be equal to 1 over 2 to the power of negative x. So now let's add two logarithms. Log 3, 9 plus log 5, 125. So let's solve log 3, 9 first. 3 to the power of x is equal to 9, so x must be equal to 2. For log 5, 125, 5 to the power of x is equal to 125, so x must be equal to 3. And now for the hardest problem we'll get in this entire video. What is 2 plus 3? I think it's 4, but you might think it's 5.